G'day folks, Ben from Snowies today showing you Tiegear's screen spring pack. This is a perfect kit to anchor your caravan screen, privacy screen, to the ground easily and securely. Now it comes in this gear bag here, heavy duty mesh, heavy duty materials with a zipper along the front here. You've got extra space in here to store more gear if you like. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. And you get 6 of Tiegear's soft springs. So these are a springy type of guy rope, I suppose, but these go on the bottom. You put them under a bit of tension. It allows your caravan screen to move a little bit. There's carabiner clips at each end of those soft springs, and they work seamlessly with their Lite Terra peg here from Tiegear. These are perfect for, say, grass, grounds, or gravel, something that's not too firm or too soft, because it's only got hasn't got as aggressive a thread as their hard Terra or their soft Terra pegs. So this will go into the ground really easily, perfect for caravan parks. And then you've got this heavy duty loop on top here. This just goes in at a bit of an angle. You can hook this underneath here. This attaches to your privacy screen under a little bit of tension. Keeps the privacy screen tense, allows a bit of movement when the wind picks up so you don't end up pulling pegs out of the ground or breaking anything. Perfect to keep that caravan privacy screen secure in any caravan park or pretty much wherever you set up camp. And you do also get a Torx bit, I should mention, so that you can secure these into the ground. There's a Torx head fitting on there. Take your drill with you, put that in your drill these into the ground. Super easy way to set up your caravan privacy screen. Check these and a heap of other kits out from Tiegear online at snowies.com.au.